Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson on Everyday English. This is Comprehensible Input. What is comprehensible input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about family. We will learn the names of many members of a family. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. This is a family. A family is a group of people who love each other. In a family, there is a mom. My mom is a woman. My mom loves me. My mom cooks food for me. My mom is my mother. In a family, there is a dad. My dad is a man. My dad loves me. My dad plays with me. My dad is my father. My mom and my dad are my parents. My parents are very, very important. I love my parents. I have a brother. My brother is a boy. My brother and I play together. He is my sibling. I have a sister. My sister is a girl. My sister and I talk together. She is my sibling. My mom's mom is my grandma. My grandma is my mother's mother. She is a woman. My grandma tells me stories. She is my grandmother. My dad's dad is my grandpa. My grandpa is my father's father. He is a man. My grandpa teaches me things. He is my grandfather. My grandma and my grandpa are my grandparents. My mom has a sister. She is my aunt. My aunt is a woman. My aunt is my mother's sister. My dad has a brother. He is my uncle. My uncle is a man. My uncle is my father's brother. My aunt has a son. He is my cousin. My cousin is a boy. My cousin and I play games. My aunt has a daughter. She is also my cousin. My cousin is a girl. We are all family. We have a big family. My dad is my mom's husband. My mom is my dad's wife. My grandma is my dad's mom. My grandpa is my dad's dad. They are married. My brother is my parents' son. My sister is my parents' daughter. My family can also have a pet. This is my dog. He is also part of my family. He is a family member. We are a family. We are all together. We love each other. Thank you for learning about family with me. That was a great lesson about family. We hope you enjoyed it and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.